What's goody grind family? Reggie P here. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can make $10 or more for every click. If this sounds interesting to you, stay tuned.
This is App Grind TV. Get your grind on.
Welcome to App Grind TV with your boy Reggie P, and I help entrepreneurs make money on autopilot. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can earn $10 or more for every click. Now, if you're new to my channel, I help entrepreneurs make money online, make money on YouTube, and make money with apps. And usually I give away free money. Now, please smash that like button and subscribe to my channel. And don't forget to hit that notification bell so you know when a new video has been uploaded. Now, check out my description below. I have some free giveaways for you guys. And also I have a link you can click on and sign up for this website that will give you money today. And lastly, if you're struggling with your YouTube channel, you're trying to grow it, I also have a link down there you can click on that will help you get more views and more subscribers to your YouTube channel. So click on those links in the description below. All right, please watch this video to the very end because I have a special bonus I want to offer you guys. Now, without further ado, let me hop over here to my computer and show you how you can earn $10 for every click. Now let's grind and let's get it. All right, I'm on the internet and I'm at this website called, Crowdology. And it says here, share your opinions, earn a little extra. Get paid up to $10 for every survey you complete to spend on things you love. Now, I know you're saying to yourself, oh no, another survey, but I'm gonna tell you why this survey website is good to go ahead and sign up with. This survey website pays out money, so you don't have to get no points or anything like that. Plus, the surveys last from 2 minutes to 15 minutes. So the surveys are pretty quick to fill out, and you can get paid real quick through PayPal money. So let's read a little bit more about this. Make it a little extra on the side and treat yourself or those close to you. We're experiencing working with leading brands who want to know what you think about their products and services. That's why we pay you for every single survey you complete, helping you to make a little extra on the side to spend as you wish, whether it's a treat for someone close to you or something nice for yourself. So you go here, you sign up, receive your first survey, get paid. And as you can see here, here's one survey, just a little sample that only take about 10 minutes to do. So it also says here, our online surveys typically take 2 minutes and 15 minutes to complete. So these surveys you're going to be taking, like I said, is real short, real easy, and you get paid right away through PayPal. And it says here, this amount you get paid depends on the length, type of survey you take part in, starting from 40 cents and going up to $10 or even more. And because you can withdraw money through PayPal as soon as your balance reaches $8, it's quick and easy to make a little extra. So your balance got to be $8, but if you do a lot of surveys in one day, you get that $8 real quick. And matter of fact, you'll get up to $10 real quick in probably hours. So it says here, you can get paid out through PayPal. You get $8. If you want to get a gift card, you got to get $10. And through this other method or platform, seems like it says e-codes, you get $10. You have to have $10 to cash out. So it's also said right here, leading brands are ready and waiting for you to hear your opinions. Surveys cover a wide range of topics and brands, from what you think about the food you eat to the things you couldn't live without on holiday. It's your opinion on everyday things that count. So we'll pay you for giving your views. Win prizes as an added bonus. At Crowdology, we also like to treat our members to regular competitions with great prizes like an Apple Watch or an iPad. Take a look at our blog for more about recent prize giveaways and winners' stories. So, it's a pretty good site to make a little money. You're not going to get rich or anything, but you can make a little quick money doing this. So if you're interested in signing up with this website and making some extra money, go to crowdology.com. All right, now you know the website you need to go to right now that will allow you to earn $10 or more for every click. So go ahead and sign up with that website, do those simple surveys, and get this money. All right, thank you for watching this video to this point. As promised, let me tell you about the special bonus. If you guys can help me get to 500 subscribers, I'm going to reward 2 people with free money. Yes, free money. And all you have to do is leave a comment in this video and all my videos is leading up to the 500 subscriber video. I'm currently at 411, so I don't have that far to go. So guys, go ahead and subscribe right now. So if you're new, subscribe. So let's get to this 500 subscribers. Because what I'm going to do once I get to 500, I'm going to randomly pick a comment and reward the first person with $20 cash via PayPal or $20 Amazon gift card. The choice is yours. And the second person, I'm going to reward them with $10 cash via PayPal. So again, if you're new, please subscribe right now and leave that comment down below. All right, that's all I have for this video. Please again, hit that like button. Let's get to 25 likes, guys, because the more likes I get, the more my video will be seen on YouTube by more people. Because once I get more people, you know what that means? More potential subscribers, and that means we'll be at 500 in no time. So let's hit that like button and let's get up to 25 likes or more. Also leave that comment down below. Everybody that watches this video, leave a comment down below. I don't care what you have to say, just leave that comment down below. You know, have a question about this video, or you just want to say, oh, nice video, or I like what you're doing. Just anything, just drop that in the comment section down below, because that also helps this video to be seen more on YouTube, because we want to get as many people we can to watch this video, because that means more potential subscribers, because I want to give away this money. All right. Also, share this on social media everywhere and everywhere on the internet. Share this video. And please subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to hit that notification bell so you know when a new video has been uploaded, because I make videos like this every day. All right, I'm done. I'm finished. Thank you for the support, guys. Again, I really appreciate you guys checking me out. Keep watching, and I'm gonna keep bringing more content and more opportunities to make money online. All right, before I leave, I just want to say, get your grind on, because the grind is real. See you in the next video. Deuces.
This is App Grind TV.